Hello and greetings everyone. Welcome to our Bravo 13 Airsoft and Paintball site. Okay, today we're going to be looking at masks, face protection, eye protection. Now a lot of people say you just wear the goggles, but I've seen some injuries through being shot in the face. So we prefer to cover the whole face. Not just with something like this, because you can still get hit. So what we're going to look at today is some of the different masks. This is one of the cheapest ones, and as you can see, steams up really quick. Not very good, but protects the eyes, protects the face. You can get sprays that go on the inside to take away the condensation. Let's look at some more. Now this one is a little bit more expensive. The glass doesn't steam up, you're well protected from the face. It's a lot more expensive, but when you try and put a helmet on the right way around, you try and put the helmet on, it doesn't quite fit. When you push the helmet on, that happens. So if you want to wear a helmet like this, or a helmet like this, then you've got to have a different type of face mask. Now this one is metal. This one, although it looks good, is plastic. But for airsoft, this does the job. Very comfortable. Okay, so what masks? Now there's two types of masks I've got out here. Two types of gas mask. Now this one, you can't wear with a helmet. It is specially made for airsoft, hard plastic, very breathable gas mask. Trouble is, it's not a real gas mask. It's an imitation gas mask. Looks the part, but it was just an airsoft gas mask. No, but that one was just an airsoft gas mask. This one I've just took off is a real gas mask. That works. So, here's the imitation one. Looks the part. Here's the real one. Also looks the part. So, what do I do? This one, the imitation one, was £18. The real one that actually works was between £10 and £12. It's up to you which one you want. The real one is got a very soft body. Imitation one, hard body. It's up to you which one you prefer. But whatever happens, make sure you get a proper helmet. Either metal one, which again, funny enough, was about 12 to £13. Or the plastic one, which is much lighter, which I think was about £25. Now, to be honest, I like this one. I'll pay the extra money and get this one. I've also got a black one, tactical, all the same as that. just chase the cats. So whatever you prefer for your airsoft, it's up to you. You can buy the real ones, you know, the real metal ones, or you can buy the airsoft ones. But sometimes it's cheaper buying the real stuff. Worth looking into. My name's George from Bravo 13. I'll talk to you another time. Stay safe. Talk to you later.